Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable SSL pinning in a test Android build. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To disable SSL pinning in a test Android build, you'll need to follow a few straightforward steps. First, open your Android project in your preferred IDE, such as Android Studio. Locate the build.gradle file for your app module. Add the following dependency to your build.gradle file. This will allow you to use a library like OKHTTP for network calls. Next, make sure to disable SSL pinning in your network client configuration. If you're using OKHTTP, create a custom OKHTTP client instance. In this instance, avoid using certificate pinner or set it to a no-op implementation. If you're using retrofit, integrate it with your custom OKHTTP client. Open your network layer, where you configure retrofit. Pass the OKHTTP client instance to your retrofit builder. Now, navigate to your app's manifest file. Ensure that the appropriate network permissions are set. Add the internet permission if it's not already present. Next, you need to review your existing network calls in the app. If you encounter any SSL pinning related code, comment it out or remove it. Compile and run your application in a test environment. Make sure that network requests are working without SSL pinning enforced. Monitor the logs to confirm that the requests are successfully being sent and received. Finally, remember to revert these changes before production builds. This ensures security remains intact for your end users. Congratulations, you've successfully disabled SSL pinning in your test Android build. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.